A shocking incident has raised concern about food safety. In Shahpura Bhitoni area, a 14-year-old boy bought a Cadbury Dairy Milk chocolate for Rs 55. When he opened it at home, he found a dead cockroach, egg and fungus inside the chocolate. The product also had a foul smell. His family checked the packet and found that the expiry date was June 8, 2026, which means it was still valid. Despite this, the chocolate was spoiled. The incident has raised serious questions about quality control in big brands and food safety standards. A two-day conference for young legislators has started in Madhya Pradesh Assembly. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav said that humility, discipline and respect are very important in politics. He added that only those leaders succeed who work for public service and welfare. The program began with the national song Vande Mataram. Several leaders including Assembly Speaker Narendra Singh Tomar and Minister Kailash Vijaywargiya attended the event. Young MLAs under 45 years from Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan are participating to learn and improve their leadership skill. Indore is set to witness its first ever cricket player auction on March 31st. This auction is being organized for the Madhya Pradesh Cricket League. For the first time, players will be selected through bidding similar to the IPL style. Franchisee team will bid for their favorite players. This new system is expected to bring financial benefit to players and give young talent a big platform to showcase their skills. The event has created excitement among cricket lovers and players as it opens new opportunities in the state's cricket scene. The Supreme Court has made an important update in the OBC reservation case in Madhya Pradesh. The court has modified its earlier order and recalled two related cases. Now the Supreme Court will directly hear the issue of keeping 13% of reservation on hold. The hearing is expected in the second week of April. Meanwhile, 54 petitions have been transferred to the Jabalpur High Court. The High Court will hear 103 petitions related to OBC reservation from April 2nd to April 15. This case is very important for reservation policy in the state. A dramatic incident took place late Sunday night in Bhopal's MP Nagar area. Around 2:30 am, four young women got into a heated argument outside a club. According to police and witnesses, the girls were under the influence of alcohol. What started as a small argument quickly turned into a physical fight on the road. The situation created panic among people nearby. The fight caused chaos and gathered a crowd. Police later handled the situation. The incident highlighted concern about safety and behavior in nightlife areas. A tragic incident happened in Bhopal's Ashoka Garden area. A 35-year-old tea seller was stabbed to death after he tried to calm a dispute by calling someone beta. The accused got angry and attacked him with a knife. The incident took place late Sunday night. On Monday morning, angry family members and locals blocked the road in protest. Police later confirmed them to clear the road after about 30 minutes. There was also an argument between police and family members. The incident shows how small dispute can turn into serious crimes. Weather has suddenly changed in Madhya Pradesh. On Monday, heavy rain was reported in Baitul, Mandsaur, Meher, Shivpur and Neemuch. Hailstorms were also seen in Neemuch. Cities like Bhopal, Indore, Ujjain and Dhar are experiencing cloudy skies with chances of rain. The weather department has issued an alert for thunderstorm and hail in 6 districts. This weather system is expected to remain active for the next 3 to 4 days. Farmers and residents are advised to stay alert as sudden rain and hail may affect crop and daily life.